I am a total idiot. I thought I was recording my morning routine, but I only recorded the wall. I think there's some voice parts that I can still make into a video, but I'm kind of bummed. I did spell once, but I picked it up. I think I did good today. My diffuser is coming over my phone. Do you see? I feel so stupid. I went to record my morning routine and I recorded the wall. I already told you this. I don't know what I'm telling you again. Brain injury.
Yeah.
And say bye to your friend. You're so cute when you snore. We already left the house. I'm an airhead and I thought I was going to the gym today because it's a Friday. But I'm going to my new 𝕒𝕚𝕡𝕡𝕠𝕚 appointment. No gym today. I told Nick that I have to cut down on the reps so I can keep the weight, just cut the reps. Or do it the other way and keep the reps and cut the weight. But I don't want to freaking cut my weight. So we're making our way and it's windy as hell in this little, I don't know, maybe like, I think it's a road. But I almost called it an aisle. Now we're in the hospital. We found it somehow. Here I am. I made it. Look how much better I'm getting at reading. It's so exciting. Follow the science, they say. Well, I'm all negative. She said I could have dry eyes too. So, because when she put the eye drops in my eyes, I was like, that feels so good. Mom told me to wear a sweatshirt and I saw it smelled. So I took it off. I hate these mask things. The hospitals still make you wear them. It's so stupid. I just got eye drops. Are my eyes funny? Are my eyes a funny color?
Yeah, a little bit. They're dilating.
Oh, because she's gonna look at my eyes under a microscope. We're gonna figure out my vision. I'm so excited because she actually seems like she knows what she's doing. We are on our way out and my eyes are dilated and there's like 5 of me. I can't see.
Go down.
My eye patch, I look ridiculous.
Like a pirate.
Our mom says my eyes are black, but guess what? I can see. I literally can't see right now. Oh, I look completely blurred. And that was a really cool appointment. I should be getting prism. We're gonna buy a pair of readers that work, and then they're gonna add a prism to those readers. We don't have to do anything crazy. I also have dry eye, so we are gonna get our drops. It looks fuzzy right now. I hate it calling that my mom
later.
can't say so I said stick with it. And she was what did I say? And she said it before me.
Stick is this. I'm like, what is it called? I'm like, I know it's around there somewhere. It's my speech impediment. I'm sorry. What? It is funny. Like, but I can say aluminum. A lot of people can't say it. I can say it. A lot of people can't say it.
Well, what's the other word?
Pacific. It's the worst one. I can't say it. I'm sorry. And they're like, what are you, in the ocean? I'm like, yeah. Pacific. I started with a P every time. It sounds like an S.
Oh
my God, you're going to tell that story? Really?
My mom does it.
I know the pubic. It's pubic. I can say it. It was just when I saw it, I'm like, pubic? Who would name a store like that? And then your dad loves. And he says 𝕨𝕐𝕉, and it's not pubic.
I took all this as smorgasbord, and I'm so excited. And I'm gonna try a peanut butter jelly and plum sandwich. Really hope you enjoyed the video, and I even hope that you join me on my road to recovery. I'm gonna do it.